How to write the alphabets? A. One slanting line, another slanting line, and a sleeping line makes A. Now let's write B. Standing line, curve, another curve makes B. Now let's write C. A curve is called C. This is C. Now we will write D. Standing line and a curve makes D. Now let's learn how to write E. One standing line, one sleeping line, another sleeping line, another sleeping line. Now we will write F. One standing line, one big sleeping line, one small sleeping line makes F. Now we will write G. A curve and a small sleeping line makes alphabet G. It's time to write H. One standing line, one more standing line, one sleeping line makes H. Now we are going to write a very simple letter, I. Now we will write J. Standing line with a small curve. One sleeping line makes J. It's time to write K. A standing line, a cross line up and a cross line down makes a K. Now we will write L. A standing line and a sleeping line makes L. Now we will write M. Standing line, a cross line, one more cross line, again standing line makes M. Now we will write N. A standing line, a cross line, and a standing line makes N. It's time to write O. Just like a ball is O. It's time to write P. Standing line and a curve makes P. Now we are going to write Q. Q is just a O with a cross line. Now we are going to write R. Standing line, a curve with a cross line makes R. Now we are going to write S. This curve and this curve makes S. P. A standing line. A sleeping line is T. U. Standing line, curve, One more standing line makes U. V. A cross line, another cross line makes V. Now it's time to write W. When we join two V's together, it makes a W. X. One cross line, another cross line. X. Now it's time to write Y. Draw a V and join it by a standing line. It's time to write Z. A sleeping line, a cross line, and a sleeping line makes Z.